In this video, we want to write the polar equation r equals 5 over 6 minus cosine theta in terms of rectangular form, and we want to write it in standard form of a circle. So first thing we're going to do is multiply both sides by 6 minus cosine theta, and we get r times 6 minus cosine theta is 6r minus r cosine theta equals 5. Recall that r cosine theta is equal to x, so we have 6r minus x equals 5. We can now add x to both sides to get 6r equals x plus 5. But now we want to replace r eventually with x and y. So to do that, we're going to square both sides to get r squared, which is equal to x squared plus y squared. So 36r squared is just 36x squared plus 36y squared. And now we square x plus 5 to get x squared plus 10x plus 25. We'll subtract both sides by x squared and 10x to get 35x squared minus 10x plus 36y squared equals 25. And then we will factor out a 35 from the 35x squared and the negative 10x. So if we factor out a 35, we have x squared minus 2 over 7x left. And we want to complete the square, so we're going to take half of 2 over 7, which is 1/7, and square it to get 1 over 49. So that's what goes inside the parentheses. But recall that we didn't just add 1 over 49, we added 35 times 1 over 49. So that's going to be 5 over 7 basically. And we add the 5 over 7 to the other side as well. And now we can factor out the x squared minus 2 over 7x plus 1 over 49 as x minus 1 over 7 quantity squared. And then 25 plus 5 over 7 is 180 over 7. This looks to be an ellipse. And so for an ellipse, what we have to do is divide both sides by 180 over 7 because it must equal to 1. So we have 35 divided by 180 over 7 and 36 divided by 180 over 7. So on the left side, we have x minus 1 over 7 squared, and then 35 over 180 over 7 is just 35 times 7 divided by 180, or 1 over 180 divided by 35 over 7, which simplifies to 36 over 49. And then before we had 36 over 180 over 7, that's the same thing as saying 1 over 180 divided by 7 times 36, which is 5 over 7. And so if you want, you can rewrite 36 over 49 as 6 over 7 quantity squared. So this will be the final answer and the final standard form of the ellipse.